Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Aspecta AI token on Binance Alpha. So Aspecta or ASP just get listed on Binance Alpha, and in this video we'll cover everything from the project overview, price prediction, and also how to buy it on Binance Alpha. So first you can open your Binance apps and go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search ASP for Aspecta, and this is the token. You can click it, and this is the chart, guys. So it's not really good, I think, from the chart perspective, but yeah, you can click info here. We'll see the 24-hour high, low, and the volume. For the volume, I think it's good, and there are 1 billion total supply. And okay, let's check the website Aspecta AI. Okay, maybe. Okay, so open economy for alpha assets, the blockchain infrastructure facilities, intelligence. Okay. Oh, so basically they will help us to invest to the early project. I think it's good. Let's launch the app. Thread build key for diverse assets. Pretextures. Okay. Got network and Sonex. Base Solar. Okay, that's good. Previous build key launch. So the ROI is really high, I think. Okay, let's check the X account. Okay, Aspecta build key. Okay, so they get back from YZI Labs. It's Binance Live, so it's good. Okay, so it's good for the projects. Let's back to the chart. And this is the chart. My price prediction is maybe we can hope it will rise to $1. So yeah, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose limit orders. You can put the price you want to buy like this, or you can choose instant. You can swap your token or like USDT, BNB, or others to ASP. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.